Welcome to Eezytutorials. In this lecture series, we are going to see deletion of a node at the beginning position in a doubly linked list. So this is my doubly linked list. This is the first node. So I'm going to delete the node at the beginning. That is the first node I'm going to delete. So this is my task. Always one point you have to keep in mind. In a doubly linked list, the first node should be marked as head. So now this is my doubly linked list, existing doubly linked list. Head is marked here. Suppose I am deleting this node, this will become my first node. This is vanished and this will become my first node. So head should be marked here. This is the logic you have to keep in mind. So first, if I want to delete a node, I have to mark that node. So I am marking that with the pointer P. So this is my first task. So P is equal to head. Globally, I have declared struct node start P. So directly I can write P is equal to head. This is my first task. Now what I have to do? I have to mark the head to the second node. So head is equal to head of next. I have to do that. That is my next task. So from here, head must be moved here. This is my second task. So I am moving head. So head is equal to head of next. So in the head, so this is head. In head's next position, the second node's address is stored. So head is equal to head of next means head will be moving here. So head is equal to head of next. I have done that. Now the third task is I can delete it. Before deleting it, the head's previous pointer should be pointing to null. That is my next task. So head arrow previous is equal to null. Then P arrow previous is equal, P arrow next is equal to null also you can put to make this point. So P arrow next is equal to null is optional only. If you are not writing this line also, you won't be getting any problems. Just for an ethical pointer allocation, you are writing this line. This is also you are making as null. If not, just garbage will be values will be stored. You won't be getting any problem in deletion. But this is mandatory. Head's previous position should be null. Head arrow previous is equal to null. After doing that, you can delete P with the help of the function free. Just if you are putting free of P, this node will be, the memory for this node will be deallocated. So this is deletion at the beginning. So deletion at the beginning, I am marking the beginning node P, with the help of the pointer P. P is equal to head. Now I should not lose the information of head. So I am moving head to the next point and I am making head's previous as null. So head is equal to head of next. Head arrow previous is equal to null. If I am doing that, head is made correct. Now I can delete with the help of the function free of P. So this is how we will be deleting a node at the beginning. In the next lecture series, we will be seeing how to delete a node at the middle position. Stay tuned to Eezytutorials. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.